On the eve of Diwali, a mysterious glow beckons from the shadows. Anya's hand trembles as she awakens dormant magic with a single touch. Laughter echoes through the silent night as Anya fades from sight, a trickster in the making. Bewilderment and fear grip the neighborhood as chaos descends without a visible cause. Ravi's eyes pierce the darkness, a beacon of reason in a world of unseen danger. Unity forged in adversity, two souls blend their gifts to protect those they hold dear. A sinister presence looms, threatening to shatter the fragile peace woven by brave hearts. Sparks dance in the night sky as heroes clash with darkness, courage their only armor. Light banishes darkness as hope triumphs, the essence of good prevailing against the tide of evil. Amidst the joyous festivities, two souls stand united, forever bound by the secrets shared in shadows.